Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in WordPress. We'll cover three main approaches to integrate your custom code effectively. First, we'll look at direct editor methods. Next, we'll explore using child themes for robust and update-safe modifications. Finally, we'll discuss custom plugins for more advanced functionalities, ensuring your site remains flexible and powerful. Adding custom HTML to your WordPress site is straightforward. For quick snippets, the Gutenberg editor's custom HTML block is perfect. For more structural changes, you can directly edit template files in your child theme, like header.php or footer.php. Remember, shortcodes offer a powerful way to insert dynamic HTML, allowing you to reuse complex layouts across many pages with ease. Customizing your site's appearance with CSS is essential. For minor tweaks, the WordPress Customizer provides an easy additional CSS section. For more significant styling, place your code in your child theme's style.css file. This ensures your changes persist through theme updates. For larger projects, enqueuing separate style sheets helps keep your code organized and improves site loading efficiency. Integrating custom JavaScript adds dynamic interactivity to your WordPress site. The best practice is to enqueue your JavaScript files using your child themes functions .php file. For more intricate scripts or site-wide functionalities, consider creating a small custom plugin. Always aim to load your scripts in the footer of your site to ensure content renders quickly, providing a smoother user experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.